Hello, in front of me I've got Huawei Mate 10 Pro. In this video I'll show you how to change Google Assistant voice. In the beginning, enter Google app. Tap button in the right corner, go to Settings, Google Assistant, and enter Assistant Voice. Here we've got two available voices.
Here are the voices you can pick for your Google Assistant. If you like this voice and want me to keep using it, just stop here.
Here are the voices you can pick for your Google Assistant. If you like this voice and want me to keep using it, just stop here.
If you find this video helpful, please leave a like, comment and subscribe.